I had received really clear guidance that it was a book for light workers. I remember saying, how am I going to write a book to light workers when I don't even have the courage to do it myself? I'm Rebecca Campbell. I'm a writer and my work is all about helping people spend more time with their soul. When I was a young teenager, I experienced a significant awakening, and really overnight all of my intuitive senses got turned up. I did want to devote my life to it, but I couldn't quite see a career path. So I ended up developing a career as a copywriter and then a creative director. So I had these two different parts of my life, really. And not everyone knew about the spiritual part of it. With each passing week and month and year, I was really consciously creating a life that wasn't in alignment with who I really was. I began waking up at like 3 a.m. in the morning and just knowing that something needed to change. I ended up discovering how much beauty and nature really lit me up. As I was walking in nature, I began to hear words and hear poems and hear headlines and hear what I felt might be the beginning of a book. I was scared to do it, and it wasn't the process of writing itself, it was really letting myself be seen. I remember buying my ticket to the writer's workshop, and I saw that as, you know, like Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, where it's like the golden ticket. I knew my writing was going to be out in the world by that stage. I'd always been really drawn towards Hay House, and they were 100% my #1 publisher. Why I love speaking at the writers' workshops is because writing is a lonely process, and so developing a community of people who are like-minded and like-hearted, who share that call of being a writer, is so crucial, I think, in really helping you stick to your path. I remember sitting there with my laptop and having Word open and clicking file and save and placing my laptop down and realizing I'd written the book. It was done, my first book. And I looked up and I was sitting right in the middle of Regent's Park Rose Garden, where I'd written the whole thing from park bench to park bench to park bench. And it gave me chills and was one of the best moments of my life, because I was so proud of myself for actually meeting the whisper with action. And I really feel if we all have the courage to do that, then amazing things will happen, like more than we could ever imagine.